Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable Gapless Playback on the Spotify app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Spotify and select your user icon up at the top left, and then go down and select Settings and Privacy. And now you want to select the Playback tile. And where it says gapless playback, removes any gaps or pauses that may occur in between tracks. Click inside this oval to toggle it to the right to enable it. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.